Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how you can sort nested lists, dictionaries, and then Pandas Dataframe. Let's say that we have this Olympics scoreboard, which have four columns: country, gold medals, silver medals, and then the bronze medals. And then we want to sort this, starting with the most country with the most gold medals, and then the most silver medals, and then the most bronze medals, right? So it's in descending order. So the first thing, uh, nested list. If we have this scoreboard in nested list, we have two options. We can use sorted function, or we can use the sort method. If we use a sorted function, we actually create a new nested list. So let's say I want to create a new nested list, sorted scoreboard, and then we use a sorted function. Then we type the nested list, which is scoreboard, and then we type key lambda, and then X. So we want to sort this by gold, silver, and bronze, right? So it's starting with uh, the second element, which is an index 1, and then we want, and then uh, element number 3, which is index 2, and then element number 4, which is index 3, right? And then we want this to be descending. So we type reverse equals true, right? Let's first print this. Let's say okay, let's print this. Okay, so this is in the right order, right? We sort the gold first, and then the silver, and then the bronze. And for example, if you see this, um, country C and J have exactly the same gold medals, right? But we sort this. The next thing we sort is the silver medals, right? So this is country C, right? It's in the correct order, and then country A and F has the same gold and silver medals, right? The only difference is the bronze medals. So this is in the right order, right? Uh, let's see if we can use sort method. So if you want to use sort method, you type the nested list scoreboard, and then you type sort, and then you just type this part again. It's essentially the same, but you don't actually create uh, another nested list, right? Another new list. So it's the same, right? It's the same. Okay. Next is the scoreboard in dictionaries, right? So how do we do this? Well, let's use sorted function again. So I'm gonna create a new nested new list, right? Sorted scoreboard, and then we use sorted function. So scoreboard. Then we type key lambda, and then the difference is that we can see that this is have gold, silver, and bronze, right? We need to type those column, those key, right? We need to type those. So um, first thing we want to sort is the gold, and then we want to sort the silver, and then we want to sort the bronze, and then we want to descending order, right? Okay, so let's print this. Okay, so it's in the right order also, right? It's in the same order, right? So it's correct. Okay, last, we want to sort the pandas data frame. Okay, let's create another variable. So sorted scoreboard data frame. Then this scoreboard f, and then we can use sort values method, right? Sort values. We want to sort this by you need to type the name of the column, right? So we have gold, silver, and bronze. So we type the name. Let's see. Okay, and then we want this to be in descending order, right? So we type ascending equals false. Okay. Okay, let's print this. Let's print this, and I don't want an index, so index false, and it's in the right order, right? It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. So that's how you do it. That's how you sort nested lists, dictionaries, and Pandas Dataframe. Thank you.